This is an example of the kind of thing you're going to get in the improvisation and interpretation section of the exam. So the examiner will give you a chord sequence in the key of either G major or E minor. Then you've got to improvise a melody over the backing track that they give you. You're going to hear the backing track 3 times. The first and second time is for you to rehearse, and then the third time is for you to perform the final version for the exam. Each playthrough will begin on the root note, and then you get a 4-beat count in. The backing track is continuous throughout, so that's what I've done in this example. So once the first playthrough is finished, the root note and the counting of the second and third playthroughs will start immediately. And I set the tempo to 80 beats per minute, but the track's going to either be between 80 and 90 beats per minute. Cool, have fun practicing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.